But we have new information about that new child tax credit deal. A bipartisan group of lawmakers announcing the $78 billion deal, which would make changes to the popular child tax credit. Now, if the bill passes, taxpayers will see extra cash starting this year. So how will it work? And what should you know as we head into tax season? CPA Kimberly Washington joining us now with those answers. So Kim, what changes will be made to the tax credit process?
Right. So of course, that's if this bill is passed. It already passed, of course, the House, and now it's headed to the Senate. But the bill is going to change the popular tax credit as the child tax credit. This is part of the Tax Relief for American Families and Workers Act of 2024. Keep in mind, it not only includes changes to the child tax credit, but also some corporate tax breaks as well. But the bill is set to increase the child tax credit as early as this year. So that means once you file this year, if that bill does pass, of course, you can start reaping the benefits this tax season.
And Kim, some people may be wondering, how does the child tax credit work?
Right. So the child tax credit work, of course, number one, you have to have a qualifying child. And if you do, you may qualify for up to $2,000 per child. Keep in mind, part of the child tax credit is refundable. So that simply means even if you don't owe taxes, you can get some money back into your pocket. Right now, it's up to $1,600. You do need to meet income thresholds, but that's typically how it works at this time.
So if this deal passes, what would the increase in the child tax credit be?
Right. So if the bill does passes, one of the things, of course, is going to help those individuals who have lower incomes. They'll be able to qualify for more money. Again, the second thing will come down to the refundable portion of this bill. Currently, it is set at $1,600, but if it's passed, it's going to increase to $1,800 this tax filing season. It's going to continue to increase all the way up to $2,000 for, of course, 2025. So those are some of the changes that you can expect to see for this credit.
And Kim, finally, I think a lot of people want to know, what are the chances this bill is going to actually pass? And then if it does, what are the next steps from here?
Right. So it is a little bit uncertain, but it has passed, of course, the House, and of course, it's headed to the Senate. So we should know something, of course, this month as it relates to this bill. But keep in mind, of course, it will impact your tax return if it's passed. And of course, we'll let you know if it does do so.
All right, Kimberly Washington, CPA, thank you.